Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video at Aqua. The topic of this video is on maintaining Amazon Frogbit in your aquarium. Amazon Frogbit is a great floating plant and it helps consume the excess nutrients and nitrates from the aquarium water. This is thanks to Amazon Frogbit's rapid growth and propagation rates. As like all other aquarium plants, Amazon Frogbit's leaves do occasionally melt, and they generate new nodes. As such, I highly recommend that you remove any melting leaves, long roots, and leftover runners after the child plants have detached. I got this transparent tray from Daiso for only 100 yen. It's pretty handy for storing plant matter in the trimmings. Let's start by removing all the Amazon Frogbit from your aquarium. Just make sure you don't have any stray ones floating around, or any that's wedged in any of the aquarium equipment. Okay, we're on to the next step, inspection. As you can see, the Amazon Frogbit is green and it's quite lush. This is all thanks to the nutrients offered into the aquarium water. Let's look around for any damaged leaves. Oh, we have one right here. We don't need any tools to remove the leaves, as they are super delicate themselves. Gently position your fingers very close to the base of the plant and then pinch it off, like so. It's important that we remove leaves like this, as it will contribute to algae blooms as it decays. Repeat this process until you're done with a lot of Amazon Frogbit. As you can see, the roots here are super long. They also happen to be super delicate and break off randomly in your tank, causing an eyesore. I recommend that you cut off the excess roots and leave around 3 cm of root on the plant, like so. This white thing is what's left after the child plant has detached. Removing it is just like removing the leaf. Gently position your fingers close to the base of the plant and very gently pull. It's off. So let's repeat the process until we're done. Okay, well that only took 1 minute. Super easy, hey! At this point, please return the Amazon Frogbit back to the aquarium. Please ensure that all plants are facing the correct way up. Keeping Amazon Frogbit out of the water too long will cause the plant to dehydrate and die. So I highly recommend that you work on it immediately after taking it out of the aquarium. There you have it, a super neat bunch of Amazon Frogbit to help filter your excess nutrients and adds to the overall beauty of your nature aquarium. Without the presence of long roots, it allows viewers to enjoy the beauty of your aquascape. Please don't listen to anyone who says Amazon Frogbit doesn't need any maintenance. As you can see, maintenance on Amazon Frogbit is absolutely required. This ensures that it is an effective filter for the excess nutrients. It's counterproductive if you leave the Amazon Frogbit melting in your aquarium. The bad waste will trickle back into the aquarium water and will just pretty much cause another algae bloom later down the track. So I highly recommend that you continue maintaining your Amazon Frogbit. Please help Aqua by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.